What's going on, everyone? This is Vince with VShred.com, and in today's video, I'm gonna take you through a follow-along 6-minute lower ab workout, and you don't need any kind of equipment.
I'ma keep on going up till the lights go down.
All right, so like I said in today's video, we're going through a 6-minute lower ab workout, and this is gonna be great for anybody out there who is struggling to target that lower portion of the abs. This is usually just going to be ab exercises where you are moving the lower portion of your body. And yes, it's gonna hit your entire rectus abdominis, which is just the six-pack, but we're gonna be focusing on pulling our lower body up rather than crunching our upper body down, therefore helping to engage our abs a little bit differently. But I will say, if you are trying to get that flat stomach, you're trying to cut down on body fat, you're trying to get your abs popping, just training abs does not entirely do the trick. Yes, you can train your abs and you can build the ab muscle, and if you do have the fat gone, your abs will show better. But if you want help with figuring out the right training and the right foods to be eating, I do have a free body type quiz that tells you exactly what you should be doing in the gym and in the kitchen so that you can see results the fastest and in a sustainable manner. So if you want to check out that quiz, just click the link down in the description below this video. But for today's video, like I said, we're doing a 6-minute lower ab workout. It's gonna consist of just 4 exercises that we're going to do twice each. And so we're gonna basically do one exercise for 30 seconds, follow it up with a 15-second rest, do the next one, 30 on, 15 off, 30 on, 15 off, 30 on, 15 off. And then we're gonna repeat those 4 exercises one more time, and it's gonna equal 6 minutes. It's gonna be a good workout. Let's get into it.
fly sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop. Woo. Woo. Stop.
All right, so there you have it, a 6-minute follow along lower ab workout that you can do from anywhere. I'm literally in my house right now and just did that workout with you guys. And so if you're saying that you don't have a gym to go work out at, or you don't have time, this was a short workout that didn't require any kind of equipment, so you don't have any excuses. If you did enjoy this video, make sure that you're smashing that thumbs up button below, you're liking the video. That really helps these videos get out to other people who this could also help as well. So you're not only helping me, but you're also helping other people by hitting that like button. So hit that like button. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to hit that like button. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you are subscribing to us here. We have tons of new content coming out every single week, follow along workouts, ab workouts, dieting tips, training tips, and we're gonna be getting into more types of content in the future. And if you have any video recommendations that you wanna see here on the channel, comment them down in the comment section. And last but not least, if you wanna take that body type quiz, link in description. But that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.